Let's talk about one of the most basic concepts in Python, variables. A variable is like a container that holds data. Imagine you have a box with a label on it. That label is the variable name, and whatever is inside the box is the value. For example, in Python, we can write x equals 5. If we run the code, we see nothing. We should use the function print to post this value. Here what's happened? We can use the name of variable x instead the value. If we run the code, we see that Python posts 5. Here's x is the variable and it stores the value 5. You can change that inside the box anytime by assigning a new value, like this, x equals 10. If we run the code, we see that here is 10. That's it. Variables help us to store and manipulate data in our program. Keep it simple and keep coding.